Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Beat the confectioner's sugar and butter in a medium bowl with an electric mixer on medium-high speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in 3 tablespoons milk and the vanilla extract. Beat in more milk until desired consistency. Tint the frosting with the food coloring, if desired.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Whisk the confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons milk or heavy cream, and vanilla extract together. Add another tablespoon of milk or heavy cream to thin out if necessary. Taste, then add a pinch of salt if desired. If not using right away, cover and store icing in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What is powdered sugar? Well, simply put, powdered sugar and confectioner's sugar, icing sugar, and 10x. They're all the same, is granulated white sugar that's been pulverized to a powder and mixed with a small but mighty amount of cornstarch.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.